Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to you all. In this video I'm going to be changing my rear LED boot handle component, I guess. Unfortunately you can't change the LEDs, so you've got to change the whole component itself. Now I got this component from LL Parts online. I think it was £109 including shipping. With this one it seems to be a little bit improved. We've got the pre-covered rubber mastic over the components. So mine has decided to die and nothing works, not even the boot release. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is unclip these. Again, mine are broke. Second one, when you get down to the component itself, again, mine is broke, but all you need to do is get a screwdriver underneath and gently apply a bit of pressure to get the clips off. Comes out, disconnect the electric. As you can see from mine, it's perished due to water ingress. Now my lights and boot release died because of water ingress, and this was due to not cleaning out these drains. You have one either side, on the left and the right, just below the spoiler, and they drain out here. Now I used a very small tube to clean this out with, just because it is quite temperamental. You don't really want to be splitting any of the inside tubing. I recommend you doing that. Now once you've done that and you've got this off, just check the cable itself for any damage. Mine hasn't, thankfully. It's just got a little bit of water crust on there, which I have already cleaned off. Once you're happy with how it looks when it's off and all cleaned up, we'll start fitting the new component. Now once you have the area ready and you're happy with it, it's all cleaned, new component needs to be fitted. Connect the electric cable, make sure you're pushing it in the right way around, line up the holes and simply push into place. Oh. Well, that's a good sign. Now everything's fitted. Get your two side pieces, line them up correctly. Right, so I have turned the ignition on and it works perfectly. So once you have installed the new component, you might want to scan and clear any codes that were shown before due to the faulty component. For example, on mine, I have a few codes anyway. One of my codes is engine management code, which is for the runner flap delete, which I've done, which will get cleared once I go stage 2 plus. The main code that we're looking for is under 09 - central lock-in, license plate, lamp, open circuit, short circuit to positive. This is the one that we want to clear. So once we've done a run on all the codes, we're currently at 93%. So that's fully complete. So we come out of that, clear all codes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Continue, clearing codes. Codes have been cleared in all non-emission systems. Yep, that's fine. Right, so now to run through clearing all the codes that come up. Again, the main one that we're looking for is the license plate lamp code. Just because when that goes faulty or when that's, you know, stops working, that will bring up a code. Possibly light up your dash as well. That is pretty much it. So we want to go back to, where is it? Just have a little look, see if we can find that again. It's under central electrics. Just want to scan that code one more time just to make sure we've cleared it. Codes only. Alright, no present codes, so we've cleared that completely. So we've turned the car off, disconnected the scanner, start the car, light's gone. Happy days. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. More content coming soon following Lola's journey to stage 2+. Peace out.